Hi everyone, and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making some bookmarks. I'm going to be using these metal blanks from UV Resin. As you can see, each one of these bookmarks has a beautiful flower. We have a sunflower, carnation, tulips, lily, rose, and lily of the valley. To color them, we're going to be using some color UV resin. This is the dark color UV resin, also from UV Resin. It comes with 18 colors. I'll be adding some flakes to the top portion of the bookmark, crushed crystals from Unicorn Art, some resin tape, and we're going to cure everything with the UV Resin UV lamp. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's make the sunflower one first. I'm going to start with a piece of tape. This needs to be the length of the bookmark. We need to press it down firmly on the tape to make sure that there are no gaps. If there's a gap, the resin will leak out from underneath. Let's go ahead and pick our colors. So I'm going to be using orange in the middle and yellow on the outside. I'm going to use a toothpick to make sure that all the crevices are filled. And I'm going to add a little bit of brown in the middle. Let's go ahead and cure it real quick. Let's go ahead and fill in the leaves. Let's cure the leaves. So here's what it looks like right now. Now we need to fill in the rest of the bookmark. Let's go ahead and start with some white. Add some orange, a little bit of brown, and some yellow. Then we're going to add some clear. And let's mix it up. Then we're going to add some crushed crystals. For this, a little goes a really long way. So I'm just going to dip it in here and then mix it up again. All right, now we're ready to cure. All right. Okay, once it's cool, let's peel away the tape. All right, and here it is. Isn't this pretty? So it's double-sided. And what we can do is add a little tassel. This actually comes with the kit. I'll pick this tassel. All right, and our bookmark is done. Take a look at this. This literally took just a few minutes to make, and it turned out so nice. Let's go ahead and make another one. How about a tulip? Let's make it purple and blue. That looks so nice. Let's go ahead and cure it. Now we're going to color in the leaves. Cure it again. And now for the background. And let's cure it one last time. Here's our tulip one. This one is so pretty. You do want to be careful when peeling this off so that you don't leave any tape behind. And here it is. How pretty is that? I love the little gradient here. And I love the blue going to the white to the clear. This is super, super pretty. And there it is, super easy. And now we have two. Okay, let's make another one. Here is the rose one. Okay, so this one's gonna be red. A little bit of pink on this one. And let's go ahead and fill in the leaves too. Okay, and let's cure it. Okay, this time I'm gonna start with the clear. Then we're gonna add some flakes. This is purple pink. Okay, let's go ahead and cure it. And here it is, so pretty. And here is the final bookmark. This one is so nice. And because there's actually a lot of space up here, we can actually add some text. So what I'm going to do is simply add some stickers. So we can go vertical or horizontal. And here is the final look. So if you want to seal in the stickers, you can add one more layer of resin, or you can leave it so that it's actually removable. So here is our tulip one with the blue sky. Here is the sunflower one. And here is the rose one. And the best part is there's 3 more to make from this kit. Alright everyone, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!